kışla mücadele arabası ortalığın içinden geçti.
Heavy snowfall has hit parts of Turkey, forcing Istanbul airport to close to flights. A strong blizzard left up to 60 centimeters of snow in some places. Extreme weather has caused transport problems across country. Istanbul was hit by its first snowstorm of the winter. Some passengers as well as vehicles were stuck due to heavy snow. Emergency teams delivered thousands of containers of food and drinks to those stranded. Every day, the municipality is also distributing more than 2 tons of food for stray animals. Routes from northwestern Turkey to Istanbul are closed until further notice. More than 5,000 people were stranded across the country, and more than 7,000 taken to shelters in 7 provinces. The southeast of the country was also affected, with 200 people stranded on a snow-hit motorway in Diyarbakir province. Most schools were already closed for a 2-week semester break. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you soon.